Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today I'll discuss you about the home Vastu. Today I'll discuss about mainly on four directions. Although there are 16 directions and 32 entrances, but today I'll discuss about mainly the main four directions. The first is the north direction. In the north directions, toilet, kitchen, puja room, storage, any kind of storage room or any kind of storage, and overhead water tank is not permissible. If you have this in your north direction, then your money opportunities will be affected. In the north direction, bedroom and underground water tank is permissible. This brings a positive energy in your home. Now, about the colors. In the north direction, red color and yellow color is not permissible. Blue, white, and green are permissible. Here, colors mean it can be your wall paint, it can be a picture with these colors, or any artifacts you put in your north direction which has these colors. In the south direction, toilet, underground tank, puja room, and storage is not permissible. If these things are in your south direction, then your relaxation, pain, rest will be affected. In the south direction, bedroom, kitchen, and overhead water tank is permissible. Now about the colors. In the south direction, the red, yellow, and green is permissible, but blue and white are not permissible. You cannot use blue and white color in your south direction. In the east direction, toilet, storage, and overhead water tank is not permissible. If you use this in your east direction, then your social association will be affected. In the east direction, you can have bedroom, kitchen, puja room, and underground tank. In the east direction, you can use red, green, and blue color, but you cannot use the yellow and white color. In the west direction, you cannot use toilet, underground tank, and storage. If you have these things in your west direction, then your gains and your profits will be affected. In the west direction, you can have bedroom, kitchen, puja room, and overhead water tank. In the west directions, you cannot use the red and green color, but you can use blue, yellow, and white color. This kind of behavior. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified.